Hello guys, back with another in-depth hair tutorial. Oh hi, what do you do? Halua wants to say hi. Say hi. Oh no, you can't. Oh okay, she's getting on my bed, I guess. So today I'm going to be doing this hairstyle. I have a flat twist hairstyle I think on my YouTube already, but I'm going to redo it, show you guys how to do these flat twists and also how to do the little buns as well. And yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna take this hairstyle out. If you want to see this hairstyle and how I did it, it will be up on my TikTok, I'm sure, by the time I have already posted this. For this hairstyle, you only need a couple tools. You're going to need a parting comb, some elastics. I love these little small ones, and then as well as these like medium-sized ones. Oh, look at that hair. And then if I'm doing this hairstyle and it's like closer to like wash day, or just feel like my hair needs some more hydration, then I love to put this in the shine oil from CURLSMITH. I have linked out there. My hair down from this hairstyle. I'm gonna take my ring off. Also, for everybody asking, this is a promise ring I've had since February, but it was getting fixed for 3 months. You guys haven't seen it in a while because it's gonna get stuck. Oh, taking claw clips out feels so good. Another thing of why I love using the oil is that it makes it easier to get through your hair so that you don't have to like deal with as much or really any tangles going through it. So I found that that's what helped me, which is why I like to use it when I'm braiding my hair or doing flat twists and things like that. And you guys know that I love to use it when I'm taking out like rubber elastics. So oil has very, very many great uses. Also, I forgot, you'll need a mirror to make sure the back of your head is parted nicely. Now that I've gotten that taken all out, I'm gonna go in with the shine oil. A little bit of drops in my hand. I don't know how many that was, but we're gonna say that it was enough. And just run it through my hair. I'm gonna do one more. Now we're gonna go in and start parting. So what I did was I first parted my hair down the middle. See if this is parted down the middle. I mean, it looks good to me. Okay, so we have it parted down the middle, and then we're gonna do 2 sections on each side. So we're doing of like what, 3 parts? Yeah, 1, 2, 3. And I start from like an angle at like the very like tip of my head, and I go like this. And I make sure this up top is parted first. Is that you? Let me try that again. Okay, there we go. I'm much more satisfied with that. So starting from the top where you last stopped the part, you're gonna go straight down, but kind of like curving in just a little bit.
So then, why?
We'll see. I mean, looks pretty good to me. Okay, and then taking this one that we parted down the middle first, I'm going to tie it off just like that so that it doesn't get in the way when I'm trying to do this one. Alright, so starting from the top, you're going to split a small section into one and then split that into 2s. And first I start doing 2 twists off the top of my head, and then I'll start grabbing hair from my scalp and intertwining it with the 2 twists that I have. And you're gonna wanna make sure that you keep it tight and like close to your scalp. So every time you go around to grab more pieces, you're gonna wanna tighten that section a little bit more each time so that it'll stay in place. People have asked me how I keep my flat twist to just stay, because I've done a flat twist all the way down, kind of like a little French braid moment. And honestly, mine just stay in place. I've never had a problem with that, with them kind of like moving or unraveling like really much at all. Maybe like a little bit in the back, but for the most part, they stay pretty tight the way that I did them. You can try using a gel or maybe a mousse when you're doing it, just to keep it in place if you are having that problem. But yeah. And you can kind of see as I'm like going through, the oil has helped me be able to slide through my hair pretty well, so that I don't have to deal with any type of knotting and getting stuck and having to just like pull the hair apart to get through it. You can kind of see I accidentally grabbed some of the hair from the bun, which I do fix later on off camera. But yeah, just make sure when you're tying your hair off that you put it more to the side than what I did. But I'm taking my smaller elastic and I'm going to finish off the twist right there before I start doing the buns. You can see how like nice and tight this one is, and I just love it so much. It just looks so like seamless. Now we're going to start working on the buns, and keep in mind that I want these buns to be a little bit messy in the back so that it looks like filled out in the back. So that's what I'm going for with these type of buns. I was adjusting the mirror in front of me so that I can kind of see and guide myself while I show you guys. So we're going to start out with twisting it, and you don't have to do it super tight. And then I'm going to wrap it around, not in like a very like nice pretty way, because remember we want it to be messy. And then taking the like medium elastic and just wrapping it around, and trying to make it tight but still like a little bit messy. And you can also like pull it and stuff and try to make it to your liking. So I'm pretty satisfied with that bun, and we're gonna move on to doing this one. But first, I'm going to tie off the rest of this hair so that it doesn't get in the way the other one did, and I did a better job this time than I did last time. And then following that same method that I showed you guys in the beginning, just splitting into one section, and then you're going to take it and part it into 2, starting from off the top of your head first. Just what I found is easier, just what I've always done, and then going in, grabbing pieces closer to your scalp and just twisting all the way down as you're intertwining hair into those 2 pieces that you have, and they'll gradually get bigger as you're going down.
So then, why?
And here is the 2 that I've done so far, and now I'm going to be moving on to the next 2. Okay, and here is the finished hairstyle.
I actually really love this hairstyle, and I feel like it can be so diverse and used in so many different ways. Like if you're going to a fancy event, or if you're going to dinner or brunch with your friends, school, a quick workout, like anything, honestly.
I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys liked this hairstyle and that it will help you at home. I definitely love this, and I will definitely be doing it more often. I feel like I did a better job this time than I did with the first time I did it, but you know, practice makes perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching.